Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am yuppietee. Today I just wanted to share my experience with you guys, how I started my YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers. So today's the video is to appreciate all my fans, my subscribers. Tell you thank you. You all did it. It wouldn't have been possible without you. I'm happy. It all started this year. It's barely 1 year and we have hit 1000 subscribers. It's incredible. I'm just so happy. I've been planning to do this video but been busy shooting because every day I'm out, and I say let me share my little experience with you guys, how it all started and where we are now and where we are going. Before I continue, let me especially tell you thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being part of this journey, and thank you for always watching my video. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible. You know, one thing is about creating content, creating videos. Another thing is having the audience to watch, and you are the main deal. So thank you, I love you. And if you are just coming across this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, we want to grow even higher. We want to reach wider audience, and we want to celebrate the next milestone, which is 10,000 subscribers. From 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers to 1,000,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, and if you have come across this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that when we post a new video, you can be notified. And the channel is all about traveling. We travel, we tell stories about places that we have visited, and we bring the world closer to you by telling stories about places. Every day we travel, we do documentary, and we show people some of the things that you won't see on television. So we'll try as much as possible to do documentary about places, and that is what we do in this channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below. So this video is just about sharing my little experience with you guys, how it all started, where we are now, and where we are heading to. Okay, I started this YouTube channel late January. That was on 25th of January. That was the first video I ever uploaded on YouTube. January 2023, on 25th of January 2023. How it all started. I love traveling. I always travel a lot, and when I travel, I used to take pictures of my traveling, then I will upload it on Facebook. I used to see a lot of comments and likes on Facebook. And someone told me, you like traveling, why not be doing documentary instead of pictures? Maybe you can just be doing short videos and be uploading on YouTube. So that is how the idea came in. So okay, since I love traveling, I've been traveling, instead of snapping and be uploading on Facebook, let me just be doing videos. And that is how it all started. And my very first video I did was about Otukpo. Otukpo is fondly called a Texas city. I visited the place, and the place was nice, but it was looking abandoned, kind of. No development, with holding infrastructures, railway stations, fire service stations, and all that. A well-organized town, but with less development. I said, okay, let me tell the story about this place. And so that is how I started. So I did a brief documentary about Otukpo, and when I uploaded my first video on YouTube, the comment I got from people when I shared it with friends, the comment I got motivated me to do more. And as we speak, the video has hit more than 1,000 viewers, my very first video. And to shock you, this video I used a Tecno phone, and it's not even a good Tecno phone. My old phone, that was what I had by then, a Tecno phone, and not just a good Tecno, it's Tecno Spark 3. If you know Tecno product very well, you know Tecno Spark 3 is one of the less Tecno phone. If you can check out the video, the quality wasn't very good, but the content in it was good content and people want to watch. When I started, the quality was not really good, but the content was very good. So I started with Tecno. So if maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, this can be a motivation for you. You should not just look at buying big equipment. You can actually start from where you are and what you have at hand. I started my channel January 2023 using a Tecno Spark 3, and the outcome of that video, you'll be shocked. You'll be surprised. So you can check out the video. I will drop it in the description of this video. You can check out the video. The video has gotten 1,000 viewers and is still counting. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can actually start from where you are and what you have. Don't look at buying big cameras if you don't have the money. If you have the money, quality is good. But if you don't have, you can actually start from what you have. I know a colleague of mine is doing very well and is also using a Tecno phone to do his video. But the only thing about Android phone is that the stability, you might not really get a good quality, and the stability of the phone will not be the video will not be very sharp, and the stability will not be okay. But you can, unless maybe you don't want to do traveling videos, you just want to sit down and be talking like what I'm doing right now. You sit down and be talking to people. If you don't have a good phone, or you don't have a good camera or good video camera, you can actually use your small phone that you have, and you also need editing skill as well. And moreover, talking about editing of video, I started with a zero knowledge about videoing and editing. I did not really have a good knowledge about editing of video. Okay, I will just share some of the equipment that I'm using and how I started. When I started, I did not have a laptop. The laptop I had was not good. Most of the softwares that I needed wasn't compatible with the system, because it's the old system, so I cannot make use of it. So I was using this same Tecno Spark 3 to do my video editing. If you check out the video, you will be shocked that it was actually phone that I use in editing. It's up to about 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, or 28 minutes or thereabout, and I use phone to do. So you don't really need a big gadget to start a YouTube channel. With a Tecno phone or any good smartphone, you can start a YouTube channel and be doing your editing with your phone. So I edited using that same Tecno phone that I was using to do the capturing and the videoing. Is that same phone I was using to do the editing. But thank God today I have a good system, and it's a Dell product, and the system is very smart. This is Core i7 system, Dell Latitude E7 series. So the system is very smart and it's very good. I have a lot of videos in here and it doesn't hang. Even if the memory is about to be filled up, it will still be performing optimally. And so I thank God for this. So I have my laptop in which I do use in doing my video editing. I have a tripod stand for stability of my videoing, and I also have a mic. This is what I use in doing some of the interviews. If you see me interviewing people, I use this. I'll ask you question, you talk. And this video, I'm actually using the mic. You can see this is what I'm using for the recording, for good sound quality. But if you don't, I think this you can get it at the rate of 25,000 naira. And that is the price, and it's very good. It's compatible with iPhone, Android phone, and all that. This is basically what I'm using for my video. I don't really have big gadgets. You see me using drone. Sometimes I borrow from friend or I hired. If I enter the town, I will contact some friends or people that have drone, then I will hire. Or maybe we'll go out with the owner of I will just pay you for the day. But I'm still trusting God that I will get to the level that I will have a drone of my own. The last time I priced a drone of a good quality, they were telling me about 400 to 500,000. I trusting God that I will get there soon, because I actually need it, not to be paying money. I don't want this video to be very long, just to show you how I started. I started this year, and in less than 9 months, I was able to hit 1,000 subscribers. So this is me coming back to tell you thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And also, this is also to encourage aspiring YouTubers. If you want to be a YouTuber, you want to own a YouTube channel, you can actually start from where you are and what you have. You don't really need to have so much before you can start a YouTube channel. You can use your phone. Some of the softwares that I'm using, okay, I started using CapCut, but I'm not using CapCut again. I'm using Premiere Pro software, Filmora as well. Sometimes I use Filmora. I use Premiere Pro as well for video editing. I also make use of Canvas for my thumbnails. That is a phone app. I also make use of Fonto. I make use of Fonto as well. I don't really have much gadget. I believe I will get there, in which I will have good gadget that when going out I will be well equipped. That is basically that. And I don't know if there's anything you want to know more about this channel, you can drop in the comment section. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel. You can also, any video you want me to make about my channel, how it started, or maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, or you want to learn more about YouTube, you can actually drop in the comment section. We'll be chatting and we'll be talking more, so that this video will not be very long. So this is me telling you thank you for always watching my video and always being part of this journey. And if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button below this video for you to get notification next time we post a video like this. And moreover, what we do in this channel is traveling, so we travel a lot. So that is it. If there's anything more that you want to learn about this channel or you want to know about YouTube, you can actually ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I love you.